In this video, I will show you step by step how to get a Roblox voice chat just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial for you guys, step by step. Let's get started. So what you need to do, you just need to go to your Roblox homepage like this, okay? Or go to roblox.com, and what you will do, click over here on this icon over here and click on setting, okay? And it's gonna take you to this page over here. So let me show you. It's gonna take you to this page like this. Scroll down, okay? Scroll down and you should see over here. Let me show you. You have a verify my age, okay? So you need to verify your age. So click on verify my age, and it's gonna take you to this page. And what you need to do next is you just need to scan this code with your phone, okay? And what you will do next, you will take a picture of your ID card, okay? And you will send your ID card picture, and you will take a picture using your phone. You will take a picture of yourself, and you will send those pictures to a Roblox website to verify your age. Then you will be able to get a voice chat over here, okay? So if you didn't verify your age, you cannot be able to get Roblox voice chat, okay? So you should verify your age first, then you can get Roblox voice chat, okay? Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.